Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with JWT and n8n and Bubble together step by step clearly. To authenticate with JWT and n8n and Bubble, start by opening your n8n instance. Create a new workflow in n8n. Add an HTTP request node to your workflow. Set the HTTP method to post. In the URL field, enter the endpoint for your Bubble application. Next, navigate to your Bubble app and configure the API settings. Under API, enable the API workflows. Make sure to define a new endpoint that will handle the JWT authentication. In this endpoint, set up the necessary parameters for JWT validation. Switch back to n8n and go to the HTTP request node. In the headers section, add a new header for authorization. Set the value of the authorization header to bearer followed by the JWT token. To obtain the JWT token, you will need to generate it from your Bubble app. Create a dedicated API workflow in Bubble that will return the JWT token when called. In the n8n workflow, add another HTTP request node to call this new Bubble API. Set this node to perform a GET request to the specific endpoint designed to return the JWT token. Once you receive the token, store it in a variable within n8n. Then, connect the first HTTP request node to the second one to ensure the flow of obtaining the token. Run the workflow to ensure that the JWT token is fetched correctly. Check the output of the second HTTP request node for the JWT token. Now, use the obtained token in the first HTTP request node for authentication. Ensure that you test this flow thoroughly. Adjust any parameters or headers as necessary based on your application requirements. Once everything is functioning as expected, finalize your n8n workflow setup. You have now successfully authenticated with JWT and n8n and Bubble together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.